Mug cakes took internet by storm this year, and whether you believe it's just a trend or a convenient excuse to have dessert in the morning, today I'll show you my 3 all-time favorite 1-minute mug cakes. I guess my favorite thing about this recipe is how minimalistic it is. All you have to do is to have a bowl like this, which I usually use for ingredients when I make any recipe, but today the recipe is actually gonna be cooked in one of those, and just a few ingredients that everybody have on hand in their pantry. Add, stir, and microwave. This is how simple it is to make a mug cake. No wonder they're so popular. Today we're making a matcha mug cake, peanut butter chocolate mug cake, vanilla mug cake, and as a bonus recipe, and I'll tell you why later, we're gonna do lemon zest mug cake. But we're gonna start with the matcha mug cake, and you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, about 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of matcha. Give it a nice stir. Stir, stir, stir until it's all nice and consistent. Don't forget to smile. And for our wet ingredients, we have 3 tablespoons of any nut milk and half a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Stir it again together until you have a cake batter and look nice and green, kind of like greenish color. Microwave for 60 seconds, decorate. I have some almonds and some white chocolate chips. If you love matcha like I do, and I love matcha, you're gonna love this recipe. It's so unique, and if you can put some white chocolate chips on top and let them melt, takes it to the next level. Next recipe, 3 tablespoons of powderized peanuts, 2 tablespoons of chocolate protein powder, 1 teaspoon of cacao, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder go in for our peanut butter chocolate mug cake. Then we're gonna add 1/4 of a cup of almond milk, a few droplets of stevia, mix it all together. If you find your batter be on a drier side, you can always add just a little bit more almond milk, just like I did here. And once you see that batter consistency, it's perfect. Microwave for 60 seconds, but if the center is still kind of wet, you want to give it another minute. And for decoration, I'm using carob chocolate chips and some roasted sesame seeds. And here we go. Let's give it a try. All right, calling all my chocolate lovers. So good. Not too sweet, really chocolatey, high in protein, delicious, indulgent breakfast. All right, so we have 1 recipe to go and 2 more bowls. Why so? Because I'm gonna show you how to swap only 1 ingredient in this 3rd recipe and create 2 recipes instead. So we're gonna do vanilla mug cake, or swapping 1 ingredient, we're gonna have lemon mug cake. So let's go. We would need equal amount of dry ingredients for both recipes, so 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, about 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar goes in both bowls. Give it a nice stir. You can always use a little bit more sweetener, but I'm just gonna stick with 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar. Now for the wet ingredients, we need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for both bowls. Now attention, to make vanilla mug cake, we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3 tablespoons of almond milk. To make a lemon mug cake, we're gonna replace almond milk with lemon juice. So 3 tablespoons of lemon juice goes into the lemon mug cake. Give it a nice stir, you know the drill, until you're gonna see the cake batter. Now they're ready to go into microwave. These recipes need 90 seconds. So here's our vanilla mug cake. Let's give it a try. I'm gonna try the vanilla first. And guys, don't you just love how cute these things are? It has a very delicate vanilla flavor. You can always add a little bit more coconut sugar if you prefer it sweeter, or any other natural sweetener. I love things not too sweet, so this is perfect for me. Vanilla is just nicely coming through. Again, if you wanted a little extra, you can always use more vanilla extract, but this is a good base recipe. Now onto the lemon. I went ahead and added a little bit of lemon zest, first of all, so I don't confuse the two. Second of all, to add a little bit more citrus flavor. Same nice texture. This one is not as wet as peanut butter chocolate. I feel like peanut butter chocolate, maybe because we did not have any flour there and we had a little bit more almond milk, was the heaviest, so it took the longest to cook. Wow. It's incredible how just one ingredient can make a significant difference. So same texture as the vanilla, nicely cooked, but the lemon juice obviously turned it into a completely different mug cake, and that zest on top really helps to bring out that lemon flavor. All right, so the problem with all these cooking episodes, now I have 4 mug cakes to eat, and it's like 5 p.m. right now. It's not even breakfast time. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget good-cravings.com, our website where you can find the freshest, best, most healthy vegan protein bars. Bye.